a shocking revelation, Big Brother Naija star Nengi has reportedly welcomed the child with a married governor who already has 4 wives. The news follows months of speculation after a viral video hinted at the reality star's pregnancy, with fans pointing out visible signs that she was expecting. In a recent expose, controversial blogger Lover alleged that Nengi secretly gave birth and suggested that the father of the child is a governor who is already married to 4 wives. Sharing the claims on Instagram with Nengi's picture, the blogger hinted at revealing more details, writing, "Shall we? By the way, she welcomed the child with a governor, 5th wife in the making." While this remains a speculation, Nengi debunked the news and states that she isn't pregnant for any governor and would like to be allowed to enjoy her life and her pregnancy in peace. However, Governor Dure of Bayelsa State has denied having any form of relationship with former Big Brother Naija reality star Nengi. In reactions to the claims made by the controversial blogger Lover, the spokesperson of the Bayelsa governor, Dr. Kola Oredipe, has described the claims as baseless fabrications. Oredipe said Nengi has no personal relationship with Governor Dewey. Regrettably, the purveyors of fake news are not happy with the touring political profile of the governor. This is a distraction, and some of us are very justified in the many reasons offered to regulate the use of various social media platforms, the governor aide added. Sadly, while we are inaugurating a brand new road in Yenegua, social media e-rats were spreading falsehoods about the governor, he stated. However, netizens have wished her a safe delivery as she expects her first child with her undisclosed partner. We will continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.